Welcome from the Bank factory. We have a demonstration here of the different temperatures of Kelvin that shows you how the light changes. You start with a 2700 Kelvin, which is more yellow. This is more like an incandescent bulb. As you migrate into 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, you can see that the light is beginning to get a little more blue. It's changing from a yellowish to a blue. And you're starting to get into natural sunlight temperatures, which is around 5,000. So we go from 4,000 to 5 to 6,000. You can see how it's turning more blue, and you get all the way up to 8,000 Kelvin.